What's going on, guys? It's Jordan with Exotic Whips. Thank you very much for joining, for viewing, for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button. We are doing a 500 subscriber giveaway, a $100 gift card to ECS Tuning. I'm still working on this. I may end up just picking a date and giving the gift card away at that date and then stop pushing it, because to be honest, I'm kind of getting tired of just pushing it in videos. I kind of feel like a tool for doing it, so I'll update you. I'll keep you posted. I may just do it and get it out of the way. So today, man, it's been a while. I haven't worked on the M3 in a minute, so today is all about the M3 because this thing deserves some love. I have just an epic amount to do to it. I think today I may tackle the interior. The interior is in complete disarray. Let me show you this. I got these done last time. I got those put in. Obviously that's not very hard to do. Got that installed. Come on, there we go. So yeah, it's completely taken apart. And I'll be honest with you, one of the reasons I want to do the interior is I'm not sure I remember how it goes back together, which would be bad. I'll figure it out, obviously, but it's been apart for probably a month and a half and I haven't even looked at the interior. So I want to get it put back together for this reason, and I'll tell you why. So I want to get that put back together so I can start to drive it, because I've spent literally no time behind the wheel of this thing. And part of the thing I want to do with this build series is I want to do suspension, I want to do brakes, I'm going to do an engine swap for sure. I want to track the progress of that between each mod. So what I've recently done is, this is kind of cool, hold on. Okay, so what I recently did actually was, there's a track in Austin called the Driveway. You go there once to take like a $400 or $500 driving course for the day, a class basically where they teach you the track, the ins and outs of track driving, blah, blah, blah. Once you do that, you can then go back to that track anytime where they have an open track day, and you can get track time in, I think, either 20 or 30 minute increments for like 20 or 30 bucks. So it's awesome for something like this. So what I plan on doing now that I passed that initial course, now what I can do is get this back together, run it at that track in its stock form, get a time, and then after every mod, I'm gonna take it right back to the track and see what type of difference it's made. So I'm super jacked about it because I've never done anything like that and I've always wanted to. I know there's a UK channel, is it? No, it's far. Anyway, it was awesome. They actually did something similar with an E36, I believe. So that's the plan with this. So right now what I'm gonna do, oh shoot, I gotta take this. All right, we back. Yeah, so right now what I'm gonna do is start putting the interior back together, all the new pieces that I've got, I'm gonna try and put those in. I don't think I'll get to the new stereo that I got, or the head unit really. But yeah, today's just gonna be some good old-fashioned manual labor, because I need to get this thing back to drivable, or at least as drivable as I need to really start moving on building this thing. So, manual labor time. I'm gonna start putting this thing back together. Stuff like this that I'm a little concerned about, because like, I don't remember how this went. I have no idea. Oh well. little update for you. Let me show you where I'm at here. Okay, so got that bottom piece put back in. Got half of that put back in. And then the glove box area put back in, a little kick panel down there. So, alright, so I think for now I'm gonna leave the center console like it is because I plan on replacing this. Oh, well, yeah. But I plan on replacing the shifter, either the shifter bushings or an entire short shift kit, I'm not sure yet. And I really don't feel like taking that apart again. So I'm gonna leave it like that for now, and I think I'm gonna focus on putting the back of the car back together, putting the back seats in, just putting that all back together. Yeah, so here we go. Oh man, can never be easy. Just can't be easy. So, so here's what we got. We got the back seats in. We got half of the center console in. Still to do, I'm gonna put the steering wheel on, and the rear seat belts seem to be locking up for some reason. So something's got to be wrong in there. And then I'm going to replace the front seat belts too, but the pieces that the plastic pieces on there are damaged, so I have to replace those. But for now, I'm gonna leave it where it is because I'm running out of time tonight to finish this. So I'm gonna leave it where it is, and next time I work on it, I'm gonna get the steering wheel replaced. Oh, probably put in the aftermarket head unit, put the wheels back on it, and then start ripping this thing around and see what needs to be replaced performance wise, because there's a lot of work to be done. Alright guys, it's been a long day, so I'm gonna end this one here. Got plenty more to do, but give it a like, smash subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next episode.